Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change primary domain in Bluehost. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. First, you have to go to your Bluehost website. As like you can see, I'm already in the Bluehost website. Then you can find the pricing plan of Bluehost at the homepage of this website. Now you have to log into your account with your credentials like your user ID and password. Enter your user ID and click on next. Then they will ask you for the password and they will verify you but through email or any other ways. Now you have to go to the help center of Bluehost. Here you can find the customer care number of Bluehost. For support you have to call these numbers and also you can chat with them. Click on chat. Also you can find the chat widget in this website. After clicking on this icon, a message section will be open up and you can chat with the bot first, but the target is you need to talk with a representative. Here you can find some options, but you have to write like I want to select or use whatever you want to write. Then enter your expected domain name, then enter .com or .info or .tech, whatever domain name you have. Then say that as my primary domain. Don't forget to mention your expected domain you want to change with. Now send this message. Then our representative will connect with you as soon as possible. It will be better if you contact with them in their working days or working hours. They might ask you for some information to verify you and your account. Give them the details they want and verify your account, then follow the instruction they give you. That's all. Hope you found this video helpful. If any confusion left yet, then let us know in the comments below. We will be happy to help you. Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon and we will get back to you soon with another tech and tips video.